If you mess up, whatever, life goes on, right? That's the way it works. So just relax, have fun, that's what we're here for. Is this actually gonna turn out all right? And it actually did! Thank you once again. Our real big exhibition will be this Thursday, December 19th at the High Tech Mesas campus. You can't miss it.
Let's thank your families and your friends and your parents for coming out to watch you. Our installations
and
there
t-shirts with tie-dye.
And t-shirts and good times. $15 each.
We really need your money!
Thank you all for coming. Please enjoy the rest of your weekend. Stage crew, can you please meet me at the stage? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's all it!